You got a V6. Right?
V6? Yeah.
That's a 4-cylinder.
V4? Wow.
Okay.
Wow, guys. Boss, he wants to...
You want a V6?
Yeah.
You want a 4-cylinder.
You mean this is a V4?
No, they don't make more V4. There's a 4-cylinder.
Wow. Man, this... Guys, I want to show you something. This the 2023. You get my point. The same as this and this. So now,
this is a smaller engine. This is a 4-cylinder.
wow.
You got a bigger engine than that. They make all the Highlanders now in a 4-cylinder.
Wow. Wow. So
people don't like it.
oh, this one engine not.
They still, because it's the government. The government wants you to be more economical in MPGs.
Yeah.
Well, they say, oh, we put a big 4-cylinder.
Yeah, man, and it's, the face is quite same. But this is, do you know? Okay, do you know that was where the mine was damaged on Sunday? By the side, it seems this is not too strong. Yeah, because what happened on Sunday, the guy, I was trying to come inside, the guy bumped, you know, the guy bumped on me and but the insurance, I had to just get it fixed for a temporary, for temporary use. Once the insurance is ready, they have to take it out and get it fixed because I can't use it with the dent. I can't, man. It makes it so crazy, man. I want to show my friend, a friend of mine out there that needs the same kind of my car. So right now, can you just show me the inside? Yeah. This is a 2023, same as mine. You understand? But he says this is a small engine. As mine is a big engine, V6. This one is the V4. You understand? So you're going to see the inside of the car. Same. Yeah. Now go see the inside. Yeah, can you just turn it? So this is it. Same. Mine is 2022. This one is 2023. This one is small engine. Why mine a big engine? You see, it's 2023. It has to be almost the same thing. You understand? Almost the same thing. See, it's almost the same thing, but a small engine. Which means if this one, if I catch it for highway, this one gonna jog. This one gonna jog. When I see machine, man, no, the engine it makes no sense. With the kind of small engine, man, no, it makes no sense. Whenever I see a Mercedes Benz, the speed, this doesn't pick speed faster. With the kind of size of engine, it doesn't pick speed. How much more using a small size engine, which means it's gonna be, man.
That's what she. I don't do 400. I got a V8 400. I
Yeah.
will go to the new one for the 600. I want my V8.
Wow, so crazy, yeah. So crazy, man. So crazy, guys. That is it. This is the car. The same thing, but I thank God say I didn't go for this car. You understand? Because the car has small engine, not the big engine. And me, I'm aiming to go for something higher. But it's quite unfortunate. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. That's the manager. You understand? And the manager be that. So the same thing, if you have interest in buying it, it's up to you. That's it. That's up to you. So see my own. That my own. Insurance go paint am, go fix am. Forget say when I see me say I don't do patching. I don't do patching, make I do the manager first because I can't do with that motor. So anytime when insurance come, they'll say have it fixed for me. You understand? So this person asked me how much you won't buy them. So they're still gonna fix my car for me, that is for sure. They're gonna fix it for me. They still have other cars. See, this is the white one. That is the white one over there. So if you need it, that's so it be now. For big boys, not be for hungry men. You get a point. For big boys, we need brand new, accident free. These are the whites. You understand? For the big boys. For the big boys, if you need something good, this are the white. You understand? So this is the white. This is the white, so sweet. Me, I hate white. You understand? I hate white. You see them. You see the inside, tear rubber. See them, tear rubber. You understand? See them, tear oven bake. Now some I want to take come. Now I go use a hand, strap all these things. You get a point? This is the ash. You see the ash? You understand? No. You see them, 2023. No, this one 2022. I guess. We will ask. We will ask them. What year is this?
23.
23?
We only have everything that's here, other than down there, all 23.
23?
Yeah, we don't have any 23. Stop.
Wow. They say this one too at 2023. You get my point at 23. Imagine. Same. Everything same. You know. So, okay, the difference between 23, now I understand. The difference between 23 and 22 now the engine size. You understand? The engine size. Because if you watch this one now, this one and my own now the same for body. You get my point? Now the same. So now, if you ask me how much, so now the engine size, I don't see it now. But the engine size is small, high. It's small, V4. Too small. This one now, before I go peak speed, before this one go peak speed, this one now I go don't reach, I go don't, you know, I go forget this one for back. Oh boy. I go forget them for back, oh. I go forget them for back. I go forget that. They say over there they have 22 cars. So, you know, so more see what they get there yourself. For those who want to buy new car. If you want to buy new cars, this is those where they talk accidents. Some people, every time they talk, and some people get hurt, but they don't get sense. The reason why I'm saying this is that, and most cases now, my Igbo brothers, those misguided ones, we get hurt, we don't get sense. The incident will happen on Saturday. Go check for the comment section. People they come, they sympathize with me. Oh sorry, oh professor, oh sorry, oh sorry, oh sorry. Then one idiot come my page, Igbo from Imo State, come my page. They talk rubbish. You understand? Because they talk rubbish. Now I cool down. The way I enter in Queen profile to check what thing before they talk rubbish, before they come to insult me, to see what thing get there. The idiot does not have nothing. I don't understand. Now so they want to get their stupid Biafra. Who does they why can't you mind your business? If you know say you no go fit support me, if you know say no fit sympathize with me, if you know say no fit comment, no go fit comment something good, shut up your mouth. Mind your business. This is very simple. I don't understand. Why they vex because these idiots come my page, they talk rubbish. You see person, imagine say person die. You know, people they mourn the person, you understand? They condole the person. Now you come, you go there, I don't understand. I'm pained because they tell me say why they make noise. Are you stupid? I don't understand. I don't understand. Are they stupid? Stupid for waiting. Say they make noise. You hear what we did? Don't you know? Hear what we did? I don't understand. Hear what we did? Are you saying that you see that car now to fix this car now, this damage now? To fix them, you're gonna cost, if it's too small, if it's too small, you're gonna cost almost 5,000. Yes, if it's too small, it's gonna cost 5,000 or more than 5,000. Are you saying make I you take 5,000 and pay for another person's mistake? If you manage it, I say make you manage the bumper, or more than between 5 to 10K, because I don't know how much Toyota will sell that bumper. I don't know how much Toyota will sell the bumper. So are you saying make I use my money to use deep and carry 10K go fix a car? Are they crazy? Why are they paying insurance? Why that person they pay insurance? You there for you there a country where we say you know fit to you, but you don't use motor, you use Okada. You go call they talk rubbish. Do you think that in America, if person hits your guy, stay there, that person will feel so. How many times have I said it several times? I don't understand. Mind your business. This is very simple. If you know say you no go fit support me, then keep quiet. I dey read comment. I dey read everybody comment. Even if I don't respond, does not mean say I dey see every comment. I dey see every comment. Yes, there's nothing much. There's nothing bad with it. Say I don't fix them, but they will still have to change this bumper. That is for sure. Insurance, they called me yesterday. The guy insurance, they called me. You know, so they asked me. I don't tell them. They will have it. They will change it. They will fix it. I will make sure so that either they will come out them, put new one, and fix them. That is it. Yeah. Some people no go just stay, don't go just keep quiet because they talk rubbish. Yeah. I don't understand. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna end it here. Just make I can see this car. So make I can show you some cars we then get, just in case if you have anything you want to buy. You understand? They still got some cars too. You understand? So if you have any, if you have in mind, say one drive brand new, fine. And this same idiot when they come insult me, nobody say I drive brand new, they buy drive. They drive to all the one kind of stupid motor from all this Asian motor. And they drive, you come they talk rubbish. Huh? They come they talk rubbish as if saying that you give me money while you buy a car. If you know say yes, you do genuine business, then you need to keep quiet and face your business. Why coming to insult person where they mind his own business? Tell me. See am. Now your mates they go buy all this car the same way me too I take come buy. You know, here I buy my own car, brand new, from Toyota. So why not you come and buy your own? This guy got me pissed off today. You understand? He's come get me pissed off. Guys, I'm going to end it here because I'm going home. I'll also do a quick video show Una for those who want to wish to buy. We want to drive a new car. Not just accident. More could begin to buy new motor for people. You understand? More could begin to buy new motor for people, not be just accident we they buy. Me too, I don't try to buy accident for people. You understand? I don't try to buy accident for people. I'm beginning to buy new motor. You understand? But at the same time, I understand say yes, get us the country be, but we can't do otherwise. So guys, make I end them here. You understand? Baba, I can go now. So it be oh. Go now, go there, go the comments. Go for there, go see the guy in the comments. I wanted to carry the guy pictures, use them, put them for my just post them with his stupid comment. Make it in community and in people see his idiocy. Because he just so what? I'm minding my own business, doing my own business, what I know best. So why they talk rubbish? What it concern you? Why can't you just keep quiet? It isn't that everybody page you go and comment rubbish. Every day they talk and say if you come my page, come insult me, but I will be insulting back and front. I know kick you out, I will insult you back and front. I'm not a gentleman. You understand? So that is it. This is just a common sense. Guys, now I take care, beg, because I won't begin to go out. I come to to come know the cost. Whether they may come fix them. Take care, bye for now.